back to my channel. It's Ritika here, and today's look is going to be a New Year's Eve look or New Year's party look on New Year's look in general. So it's a blue, sultry, smoky eye look, and I hope you like it. It's a very beautiful eye look, appropriate for New Year also. And of course, go with this look because it's New Year. It's a full face of makeup, and nobody is going to judge you for that because you can go all ham with this look. Because it's a very beautiful, sultry, smoky New Year's Eve look, and I hope you like it. And subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know how I created this look, you can watch it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with this face oil. It's the Flower Beauty Skin Elixir face oil, and it's a very beautiful face oil. Plus, it gives you a very illuminating, hydrating because it's a face oil. So yeah, illuminating look because it has glitter particles in it. It's a very beautiful oil. Makes the skin smooth, ready for makeup, like you're ready for your base products. So yeah. Okay, now for the primer, I'm using this primer. It's the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It's a pore filling primer, and it's a very beautiful primer. So, yeah. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm using the same old good best actually, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm gonna mix them together, and one is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. So yep. Okay, now to blend my foundation, I'm using this beauty blender. It's from Blue Heaven. Okay, now for the concealers, I'm using these concealer. Fit Me Again, Maybelline. Medium and light. Medium to cover my dark circles, light to highlight my under eyes and places where I need highlighting, and medium to also cover these bad boys up. Okay, now for the concealer brush, I'm using this concealer brush. It's from Zoeva. It's their concealer buffing brush, and it's in a very bad condition. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. Okay, so I'm gonna let my concealer sit there for a while, but for my face I'm using this Sugar Compact in the shade 10 Latte. This is how the compact look, and I'm using this Nameless brush from Amazon. It's a flat top brush. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a okay, now for my under eyes, I'm using this loose powder. It's the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 Light. Same blender. Just clean your crease lines and then set it. Okay, so let's do our eyes first, and for the eyeshadow palette, I have this brand new eyeshadow palette. It's a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. As you can see, this is really beautiful, really beautiful. Okay, so this is how it looks from the inside, and it's a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to create a blue kind of an eye look. So I'm gonna create a blue look. I think blue is the most appropriate color for the New Year's Eve or for the New Year's look. So I'm gonna create a blue smoky eye maybe. Let's see what we can do. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this shade, which is the shade called Universal, on my this brush. It's the Wet n Wild P15 brush, and I'm gonna put this shade all over my crease. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try. Okay, now I'm using the shade Neptune on my Nykaa eyeshadow brush. Okay, so first I'm gonna wet my brush with this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixing Spray, so I get the more prominent and poppy color on my lid. Then I'm taking the same shade Universal on the same brush, and I'm just putting it on my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm taking the shade Cluster, not this one, Cluster, on my pinky finger. I'm just gonna top it off on that Neptune shade, just for the blink of color or just for the pop. So yeah. Okay, now I'm taking this kajal. It's from Nykaa. It's the IM27 kajal, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line just for the smoky look. So first I'm gonna warm up the kajal for the intense payoff. So that's horrifying. Let me do this off the camera and I'll be right. Okay, so now I'm putting it a little bit on my upper lash line, also very close to my lash line, not too, you know, dark or a eyeliner kind of a look or effect. Just very roughly and very close. Okay, now I'm taking the shade Asteroid, and I'm using this Savannah color brush. It's a double-sided or double-ended brush. So I'm gonna use its blending side, and I'm gonna, clean the mess up or any kind of harsh line on my eyes. So yeah. Okay, now I'm using this shade called Harp on my inner corners, and for that I'm using this brush. It's the Zoeva Spot Liner brush. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my other eye off the camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so our eyes are done. Moving on to the eyebrows now. I'm using these two products. Both of them are not from L'Oreal. One is from L'Oreal. It's the Brow Expert in the shade I'll leave down below in DV. And it has a spoolie on one side and the product on the other side. So I'm gonna first I'm gonna comb up with the spoolie, and then I'm gonna use this brow product, and then I'm gonna set my eyebrow hair with this brow mascara. It's a tinted brow mascara from NYX. It's in the shade Espresso. Hey, how are you doing? Kidding. On this product now. Reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry. the bronzer, I'm using this bronzer. It's the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and it's in the shade Sun Kissed. And for the brush, for the bronzing brush, I'm using this brush. It's the Nykaa contour brush. Okay, now for the blush, I'm using this blush. It's from LA Colors. It's the Red Rouge blush in the shade As If. And for the brush, I'm using the Zoeva cheek sheer brush or sheer cheek brush. Yeah. Okay, now for the highlighter, I'm using this highlighter palette. It's the NYX Born to Glow highlighter palette. And for the brush, I'm using this brush. It's the Wet n Wild P20 brush. And I'm gonna use these 3 shades. I'm gonna mix these 3 shades together, and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. Okay, now for my lipstick, I'm using this lipstick. It's from Nykaa. It's in the shade 12am Taupe Thrill. It's a very beautiful nude color. Okay, so in general, when I do my makeup, when I have to go out or hang out somewhere, so I have a habit of doing my mascara in the end. So it naturally comes to me in the camera or in front of the camera that I have to do my mascara in the end. So I'm sorry if I forgot that step, because I'm sorry for that also, because I have a habit and I'm trying to improve it, but I can't because it's a habit of 2 to 3 years. So it's almost very tough for me. But now for the mascara, first I'm going to curl my lashes with this eyelash color. It's from Shein. And for the mascara, I'm using this mascara. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Okay, so our makeup is done. Now to set my makeup, I'm using this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixing Spray, and I'm just gonna. Okay, so our makeup is done, and this is how it turned out. And I hope you like it. It's a very appropriate New Year's look, New Year's Eve look, or maybe because it's blue, it's sultry, and it's sexy, and it's smoky. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed it. And it's not a simple look, but if you want to recreate, you can of course recreate it, because that's the reason why I have made this video in first place. So I hope to see you guys next time. Until then, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and Happy New Year. Bye.